people, how are you? I hope you all are doing fine. And basically in today's video, I am up with every single information related to tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is basically very important for our skin, and I guess it's the most common line every YouTuber would say about it, whoever has made a video related to it. But in today's video, I'm gonna be getting into every fact that proves it. So keep on watching till the end. And before we get into the video, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. And चलो अब वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं. Tea tree oil is an essential oil that helps to treat our skin. Tea tree oil can be used to treat certain conditions and symptoms that affect our skin, nails and hair. It's very important for our skin, and it is not just used for our skin. It has immense benefits, and it also works as an insect repellent, mouthwash and sanitizer. So it has lots of benefits. But before getting into the benefits, let's just know some of its precautions and methods to use it. The first and the most important precaution to use is you should not use tea tree oil directly over your skin. You should always add few drops of carrier oil along with it. You can add coconut oil, almond oil or olive oil and then use it over your skin. Applying direct tea tree oil would definitely damage your skin, and it may bring some redness or itchiness over your face and wherever you're applying basically. So keep sure that if you're adding 1 or 2 drops of tea tree oil, always add at least 12 to 14 drops of carrier oil with it. It may be coconut oil, almond oil or olive oil, and that absolutely depends upon your choice. Also guys, whenever you're applying tea tree oil over your face, make sure that you don't hit that under your eye area, because that area is very sensitive. It may bring redness or itchiness over your face and under your eyes. So before using it, keep little things in the mind. And I absolutely understand that there are definitely variety of skin types available and actually existing, and it actually depends on the skin type that how tea tree oil is just gonna react over it. But my advice is that whenever you're applying any new thing, irrespective of oil or anything, you should always do a patch test over your skin or wherever you feel like doing it, and just examine that whether that product is working amazing for you, or it is giving some redness or itchiness, anything like that, because it's very important that we should do a patch test to save a big loss of us. So yep, keep these things in your mind, and now let's just talk about some of its amazing benefits. So yep, let's get into it. I have just categorized them according to the skin types. So first I would be covering the dry skin. Basically for dry skin, you should always use tea tree oil, because it helps to soothe all your itchiness and irritation, and it provides amazing base for your skin. So I would suggest you that you should make tea tree oil as a regular part of your skincare routine, because it's very important that you protect your skin from wrinkles and long patches that might appear when you are in the age of aging. So it's very important that you keep little things in the mind before using any random product or anything like that. But for tea tree oil, I would suggest that you should add this, because it is 100% natural and it works amazing for the skin. It might bring some itchiness and some irritation for a while, but for that you should always go for the patch test before it, and when you feel that it is working amazing, then you should go for it, as I've mentioned earlier as well. And basically how you should use tea tree oil for dry skin is that you can add tea tree oil with any carrier oil. For example, you have added few drops of tea tree oil into some like 6 to 8 drops of coconut oil, and then you're applying it over your face and all over the areas where you're facing some dry patches and irritation. Wait for the results. It may take 7 to 8 days for the results, but I would guarantee that it will work amazing, because my face has an oily skin, but the rest part of my body is absolutely dry. So I add like 2 to 3 drops of tea tree oil into my moisturizer or body lotion, whatever I'm using, and I apply it, and I'm observing some amazing results. So I can assure you that this won't disappoint you with it. Okay, now talking about the oily skin type. So basically how you should use it and applying lots of oil may damage your skin. That's a biggest myth, that putting oil over your face may harm it or it may bring more oil over your skin, but it's not like that. All types of oils perform differently, so it's very important that you choose the right one for you. Why I'm saying this, because my face skin is very oily and I cannot apply coconut oil directly over my face, because it will result me in hell lot of pimples. Though there are studies that because coconut oil is antifungal, it may prevent your pimples, but it didn't work for me. So what I actually do for using tea tree oil is that I mix 1 drop of tea tree oil with my moisturizer, basically my face moisturizer that I use for my face, and I applied it, and I'm observing some amazing results. It is giving me a very clear skin, my pimples have stopped coming, and it is working absolutely amazing. Also, due to the antiseptic properties of tea tree oil, it helps to give a very clean and fair base and an oil-free look to your skin. So again, I would say that it's a good try for it. So let's just talk about how to use tea tree oil for oily skin. So basically, if you have oily skin, you are not going to use it with a carrier oil, because that will eventually bring a lot of oil and pimples. So the right way to use tea tree oil is that you should mix tea tree oil with a toner or sunscreen or moisturizer, whatever you're using and that suits you, and look for the better results then, because that's the absolute right way to wear tea tree oil with any moisturizer or something like that. Okay guys, moving on and talking about combination skin. Generally, tea tree oil has anti-inflammatory benefits and it is antiseptic, so I would suggest you that it is going to work amazing for a combination skin as well, and it won't give you any discomfort as far as I know, and all the research that I have done on it. And talking about how to use it, so basically it depends upon you whether you can use it with a carrier oil, or you can add few drops of tea tree oil with either a moisturizer or toner. It absolutely depends upon you, because a combination skin itself means that it is actually dwelling. So yeah, you can just choose whatever suits you the best. And now let's just talk about some of the other benefits by tea tree oil. So tea tree oil is absolutely a perfect solution for dandruff. So if you're having a itchy scalp and you have tried all the shampoos out there and the best hair oil, everything you are just experiencing, but you're not finding the results the way you have expected them to be, so the right solution would be that you should switch to any carrier oil. You can just take coconut oil or almond oil, that absolutely depends upon you, but you should always add 4 to 5 drops of tea tree oil into it, because it has anti-inflammatory properties, it is antiseptic, which helps to prevent scalp from getting dry and inviting lots of dandruff over it. So it would work amazing for it. I've been using tea tree oil since ages, and my experience with tea tree oil is just fabulous. So I would suggest you that you should give it a try, and it has never disappointed me. So it's my personal opinion that tea tree oil suits best for dandruff, so you can just give it a try again. Okay, let's just talk about how to use tea tree oil for treating our hair. So basically, you just have to add 4 to 5 drops of tea tree oil with any carrier oil that you feel like would be good for you. And after applying tea tree oil, you just have to keep it for at least 20 minutes so that it just gets deep into your scalp. And after that, keep on massaging with slow hands and in circular motion, so that it just gets directly into your skin and scalp. And then just hope for the better results. Okay, let's just imagine that you have got a wound and there's nothing sort of antiseptic available at your home, and suddenly you just got a click in your brain that you have tea tree oil with you. Go for it, but just before using it, try to mix tea tree oil with any sort of cream or wound ointment, because that would give you a better relief and prevent the burn, because usually applying directly tea tree oil over your cut area will give you a sudden heat over the area. So it's very important that you mix with it. And this proves that the antiseptic and antibacterial properties of tea tree oil are huge and are super effective. So tea tree oil is basically used for treating wounds, cuts, and heals them perfectly. So guys, there are some of the amazing benefits for our nails by tea tree oil. So let's just know one of them. Let's just know one amongst it. The first one is that it helps to prevent nail fungus, which usually comes, and that's not actually very dangerous for our nails, but there are people who prefer the medications and cure it. But for a natural approach, you can try tea tree oil with it, and it's just gonna absolutely work for it. And how you should actually use it is that you should add 1 or 2 drops of tea tree oil again with a carrier oil, and this time I would suggest you that you should add coconut oil with it, and just slightly massage your nails with it. So again, it's an amazing thing for our nails too. So guys, this covers almost all the benefits by tea tree oil and how you should actually use in all the conditions. And now I'm just gonna brief you with some of the most important precautions. I've already mentioned them in the starting of the video, but now I'm just gonna talk about some of the most very important ones. So the first one is that you should always add another carrier oil before using a tea tree oil directly over your skin, because it may give you some redness and itchiness over your area, and it may burn a lot. So it's very important that you mix tea tree oil with any carrier oil which you feel like would work amazing for you. The second one is that it is not edible, so you should keep in mind that tea tree oil is just for external use only. You should also keep it away from children, because they may burn their hand or something like that, but it's actually very harmful. And whenever you take 1 drop of tea tree oil and just spread it over your skin, you'll just feel something very hot over your hand. So again, it's very important that you keep it away from children. And the fourth one is that you should always try to use it in your regular skincare routine for better results. I would suggest you this should be the maximum that you can put on your skin, because there are a lot of medications and skincare treatments that are done chemically, and if you really want to get rid of them and try some natural approach, this would be the right thing to begin with. Although tea tree oil does not have any harmful effects, but there are certain very important things that should be in your mind before using it. The one thing is that you should always go for a patch test, because there are a hell lot of varieties of tea tree oil and you don't know whether that would work for you or that. I guess that's just the brand difference, but for some people it's not a brand difference, it's actually a quality difference as well. So it's very important that you go for a patch test before using any product. I'm just not talking about tea tree oil. For any product, you should go for a patch test before applying it all over your skin. And in the end, I just want to tell you that tea tree oil does not have lots of criticism and harmful things, but it is just an inexpensive way to treat your skin with maximum benefits. So in the end, I just want to say that keep using the products which are natural and would work for you. I use tea tree oil by Organic Harvest and it's amazing. I'll just link that in the description box, so you can just check that out whether you like it or not. And I also use 2-3 more, so I'll just link all of them in the description box. So yep, you can give them a try again. And in the end, I just want to say that if this video was very informative for you and you loved watching it, please like it, and also do share it with your friends and family members, and also subscribe to my channel for more related videos on skincare. I also do some challenges as well, so I'll link all those things in the description box, so you can just check them. And yeah, till then, bye bye, take care, see you in the next video.